My good people of Africans, I greet you all. If you will look in Africans, you see that a lot is happening. How can we rebuild Africans? My people say in the proverb, na onye njenjem na-aka onye isi awọ ama ive. Na onye na-eme njem jetere onye nọ n'ụlọ, na onye nọ n'ụlọ nọtalụ onye na-eme njem. Na anaghị adọnọ ike ofu ebe were eme gịnị aza ihe. Na afọ ekwekwe n'ụkwụ ozu ike. Okwu mbụrụ maka gịnị. If you look around Africa as whole, you see that our youth are traveling through Mediterranean Sea, Sahara Desert to find a great passion in the Europe or Western country. But my question is, what is the cause of we being an Africans didn't want us to develop Africa at large? Perhaps some of these our youth or our siblings, some have died in Sahara's desert or Mediterranean Sea with hope their family thinking that their loved ones is still alive. If we want to rebuild Africans, these following things we needed to checkmate. Number one, those who colonize Africa, are they still have the interest, or is it any affair they have or engage with Africans? What is the position of our leaders in Africans? And secondary, what the impact our religious aspects are playing, or the role they are playing over the Africans citizens. Before we can stand in Africa and speak with one voice, we needed to learn from Indians the way they make decisions after they colonize on their countries. African leaders should sit up and reject the mighty hands that hold Africa. I have said it oftentimes, before the African leaders can make decisions that will favor Africa, they needed to stand on their leg and make a decision that will going to govern every citizen. Okay, think of this. If we leave our fatherland or our ancestral home, who will rebuild it for us? Who will dare it for us? This question is left for you to answer. Thank God that Africans youth or leaders are waking up as their numbers, because we are going to build Africans with a good and strong development. That is all I have to say here. Thank you all. If this is the first time you are watching me, I say welcome. Follow me, like my page, comment, and tell me what you feel for the betterment of the society. Don't hesitate to join me on my YouTube page and also on my Twitter, but the more is yet to come. I am your guide, Maazi-UC. Igbo, Makano, ụmụnne m, ndewo.